Laba ababhekene necala lenkohlakalo ukushushumbisa ngemali yamathenda ebalelwa ezigidini ezingama-27 zamarandi. Umbuso uthi unecala eliphathekayo impela.
We believe that we are on track and we are ready to proceed with trial as our investigations are concluded.
Emva kokunikwa ibheyili ka-30,000 uMabe ube esememezela ukuthi uyesula ekubeni yilungu le-NEC ye-ANC.
We will step aside from our active positions as members of the National Executive Committee. We will also, on the very same token, advise the Integrity Commission of the African National Congress of these charges that have since been preferred against us.
Uthi ubhecwa ngobende inyama engayidlanga.
We are being told today that it constitutes a crime to give our wives monies earned legitimately in business dealings. So we'll hear how that becomes a crime.
Icala lihlehliselwe umhla zingama-25 kuNdasa. Kusenjalo ijaji lizwakalise ukukhathazeka mayelana nokubambezeleka kwecala lenkohlakalo yezigidi zamarandi elibhekene nowabe engusomlomo wePhalamende uNosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi abameli bakaMapisa Nqakula befake amaphepha enkantolo ukuthi bahlinzekwe ngeminye imininingwane ethinta icala asolwa ngalo. Leli cala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla zi-5 kuZibandlela.